53.29 seconds, 52 seconds on Friday. Yesterday was just a little bit slower. They must have been out on Friday night, but record time to put the Model T together and drive it off the track. And members of the group are Gary Eisenhower, Jeff Becker, Jim Stimpert, Mike Meinert, and Steve Strawhecker. And they're also looking for volunteers to partake in this program next year. So if there's any young guys or gals out there that might want to get interested in doing something like this, talk to the fellows out here, Jeff or any of the guys out there, Gary Eisenhower. He'll help you get signed up and get you involved in this. So we're going to count it down from 5, and we got to stopwatch and see if we can break the national record. They've been all over the country with this, and they are the record holders. So let's do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go get them, guys. Cheer them on. Come on, help them on. They don't do it this fast in Detroit or Janesville.